Hi everyone, welcome back to another Saturday Morning Makes, and as well as hashtag two crafters, one design. And so this week Gloria and I chose a bumblebee, and so it will be something similar. She's using something different, but we're both using bumblebees. All right, let me show you what I used. So I'm using these color diamond dots. I don't have the number anymore, but that color. I'm using these cottage cuts dies. I used almost everything except for this and this, I think, as well as that little thing there and the tree. Well, you'll see. In the inside and the outside, I am using this infinity die set, and I went way back. This is from the Scrapbooking Queen, and I used just and cause. And then, of course, the B is where you get the just because. And so I think she might still have these for sale. I'm not definite, but I'll see if I can find her link. And if so, I'll put the link down below. But this is what she made years ago. I think I designed for her back in 2010, a long time ago. And then I'm also using this new Spellbinder set that I picked up. This is called Jingle Word Frame. And so that's what I'm just using. I'm just using this in that circle there. And I'm also using this die here from Whimsy Stamps, honeycomb pattern die. And I know for sure they still have that in stock. All right. And so let's take a closer look. It's so cute. I did put vellum on the wings of the butterfly as well as this. And I actually made this up probably a year ago, just never used it. So I thought I would pull that out. I had this card running through my mind when I actually picked up those stamps, and I was just like, oh, I want to do the card with that. So here it goes. I thought it turned out really cute. So there it goes. And then there goes the inside of it. I thought that was really pretty in the inside as well. All right, so check out the picture. Check out the picture at the end. Make sure you use the hashtag for the ladies as well as the links down below, either one. And make sure you go over and visit Gloria's channel to see what she created with her bee die. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.